Hi kids, it's Math Stervakis. We have Toy Story characters here. Alien, Sarge, Woody, RC, Bullseye, Ham, Buzz. We have 7 Toy Story characters, and we have 93 pieces of Captain Crunch cereal. 93 pieces of Captain Crunch cereal, and we have 7 Toy Story characters. The Toy Story characters love Captain Crunch, and they want to share the 93 pieces. How many pieces will each character get? If they want to share the 93 pieces of Captain Crunch equally, and there are 7 Toy Story characters, how many pieces will each character get? Good luck.
Click pause and solve the problem. Click pause to look at the answer. Be aware